it all. I crawl out of bed, stumble over to the mirror on the wall. I thought I heard her talking, saying, ain't you had enough? I see you're growing older, boy, but you ain't growing up. I said, hey, Mr. Mirror, is there a reason I can't change? He said, yes. You're crazy by any other name. I ran into Danny, he used to be my closest friend. Well, he played the harmonica back when we had a rock and roll band. He said it wasn't easy, but I finally settled down. But hell, I miss the women's son and rambling town to town. I used to think we was borderline insane, but you're crazy by any other name. She fans the flames when the devil comes out in me. She knows when to hold me and when to let me go, how to hold me back when I spin out of control.